classmates. Today I'm going to talk to you about kefir. Kefir is made of goat, cow, sheep, or coconut milk. Kefir is a fermented milk drink. It looks like yogurt, but it doesn't have sugar and it's sour. You need microorganisms called milk kefir grains to make it. These grains look like cauliflower, but they are actually made from bacteria and yeast mixed with milk proteins called casein and complex sugars. Let me show you the kefir that has been fermenting for 2 days on the counter. You need to strain it.
Open your jar.
And never use metal.
All of it, Bella. All of it. Use your wooden spoon and take that out.
What's left here are kefir grains. You see? It looks like cauliflower. Down here in the bowl is the kefir. Kefir provides probiotics, which are important for a healthy immune system. It's also rich in vitamins, calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. Did you know 70% of your immune system is found in your digestive system? This is why kefir, with its good bacteria, will help you and your gut stay healthy. Let me show you how to make kefir. You take your kefir grains, put them in the jar,
Put all of them, Bella. All the grains. Okay, that's good.
pour milk,
Put more milk. That's good.
cover it, and let it sit on your counter overnight. The grains will eat all the lactose, sugar, in the milk and leave you with fermented milk called kefir.